the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Galaxy S9 Plus. As you can see, I have the lilac purple and the black here. So let's go ahead and check this case out. Picture of the case. On the bottom, it says drop tested military grade. In the back, some more information, so you can just pause the video, open this packaging, and check it out. Check this out. You get this little slip showing you how to install the case. Pretty sure I can figure it out myself. And this is the case. You get a pattern on the inside, so let the light hit it. So you can check it out for yourself. And this is a two-part case, so back here is a hard plastic, and on the sides and on the bottom is TPU. You got your massive cutout for your camera, fingerprint sensor, etc. Kickstand right here. There you go. On this side of the case, you got your flat power button. Tough Armor branding. Let the light hit it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there, trust me. And on the bottom, cutouts. On this side of the case, you have your flat volume buttons, and you have a ridged button for Bixby. On top, mic, and that's pretty much it, I think. So let's go ahead and put the phone in. Start out with the purple one, and check it out. The phone snaps right in. Case blends in perfectly with the phone. This is how it's gonna look like on the purple phone. Black case on a purple phone. So there you go. So let's just test out the features. Kickstand. So if you're out and about, you can watch your media right there. Very nice. And it also works this way too. So if you don't need that sharp of an angle, this one's a little bit more flat. There you go. Check out the cutouts on the bottom. Perfect. The power button right here. It is flat, so it's kind of hard to feel, but it's in this area. So you press it and okay, nice and tactile. Very nice. I just wish there was a little bit of a race there, but other than that, usable power button. Not bad at all. And let's check out the volume rocker. Nice and tactile. Very nice. Again, like the power button, I wish it was raised a little bit so you can feel it. It is flat with the case, something to keep in mind. And the Bixby button is ridged, so you can easily feel it. And let's just press it right now, and takes you to Bixby, which I don't really care about. The front lip. Now you do get a little bit of a front lip here. Not much, but you do get a little bit of a lip. So you put this down flat on a table. Glass should not touch the surface. On the bottom of the case here, you have a little bit more reinforcement on the corners, on the bottom, and same thing on top too. So when you drop your phone on the corner, which is what's likely to happen, you have a little bit more protection there. So that's cool. All right, so here it is on the purple phone. Let's go ahead and check it out on the black phone so you can just check it out. There's the black one, just slide it in. So you can check it out on the black phone. There we go. A little bit more seamless on the black. If you guys want that stealthy look, go with the black case on a black phone. Once you go black, you ain't going back. So there you go. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.